Diatonic triads in minor. For diatonic triads in minor, we only use the notes from the corresponding scale. Minor has two inflected forms, harmonic and melodic minor. Today we will begin with triads in natural minor. We must build a triad on each scale degree, only using notes from the natural minor scale. The following chords result. 1 is minor, 2 diminished, 3 major, 4 minor, 5 minor, 6 major, 7 major. Notice no sharps or flats. Now we will build triads on a harmonic minor scale. We must remember to include a raised seventh. 1 is still minor, 2 diminished, 4 minor, 6 major. When we add the raised seventh, 3 becomes augmented, 5 becomes major, 7 diminished. With the melodic minor scale, we raise the 6th and 7th scale degree. The raised 6th scale degree makes 2 a minor triad, 4 a major triad, 6 a diminished triad. These chords will occur frequently in theory textbooks. In common practice music, we rarely see an augmented 3 chord, a minor 2 chord, a major 4 chord, or a diminished 6 chord. The most common diatonic triads in minor are the following: minor 1, diminished 2, major 3, minor 4, major 5, major 6, and diminished 7th. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to complete the JIT quiz.